toDIYfor, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Happy you found me, and I'd love for you to subscribe. I do DIYs every single Wednesday, and it's a very wide variety of DIYs, super easy skill set, from everything from dollar store decor ideas, all the way into thrift flips. I do some fashion accessories, and then I'm also kind of starting to dabble into a little bit of woodworking. Very slowly but surely, I'm kind of teaching myself, so they're all still very easy projects. And today I'm going to show you a very simple and quick project that looks so expensive. I feel like this is something that you could spend up to $30 on Etsy for. I was inspired by a photo that I saw on Pinterest, and I made this for like $4. Seriously, this is another dollar store project, so let's get into the DIY.
Okay, so I picked up these wooden beads from the dollar store, $4 for this entire batch, and I maybe used half of them. You can grab those little wooden dollars from the dollar store, some jewelry string, or maybe even just fishing line as well, and you'll need a hot glue gun. So what I'm doing first is sorting through all of these beads, finding similar ones, because there's square ones, there's round ones, there's big ones, there's medium ones, and they're also all different colors. I chose to keep the same color scheme, and I'm putting these beads on just a strand of that clear jewelry string, and I've got 3 different lengths set up here. So something you can do if you don't like the color of the beads that you're working with, just spray paint them, which I did think about doing, but I didn't end up doing. So all you're going to do is just to tie these onto that little dowel that you have. I would actually suggest tying the string onto the dowel first, stringing your beads on, then tying up the other end. It would just be a lot easier. And now I have some dried eucalyptus, I think it is. I picked this up at the thrift store for like $2 for a massive bundle of it, and I've used it in a number of projects. So I'm putting this on, but you can absolutely use the fake greenery that you can buy at the dollar store to do this project as well. I did end up adding another string of beads before I hung this up, just because I found I had extra beads to add to it, and I'm just simply placing it on top of a nail. It's completely hidden with that eucalyptus. You could also string this up and hang it that way if you like.
Dollar store DIY idea that looks way more expensive than the dollar store. So if you enjoyed this video, please give the video a like. It really helps me out on here, helps more people to find my DIY videos. And if you're new, again, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm doing videos every single Wednesday. And with this one, you can totally customize it to your style, your space, your color scheme, and you can make it so much bigger. Mine's fairly small to medium sized, I would say. It's just gonna mean buying more beads and probably a larger dowel from a hardware store or craft store, but it could really be a beautiful statement piece for a wall for you. So please let me know what you thought of the DIY down in the comments below. Give me any new suggestions you'd like to see me make in the future, and don't forget to subscribe so you come back next Wednesday for another DIY. Cheers.